Hello, welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. The influx of the cool and dry Hamilton winds into the country have continued to keep the northern parts of the country cooler than the southern parts and have limited rainfall activities to the coastal areas. And so for the rest of Thursday, we expect most parts of the country to be generally sunny and hazy in good horizontal visibility. Partly cloudy conditions are expected over the inland cities of the south with prospects for thunderstorms along the coastal areas. Maximum temperature forecast is expected to give values between the range of 30 to 34 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the country and values between 28 degrees Celsius, as we see, expected in Jos to 37 degrees Celsius over the central parts of the country. Towards the southern part, we expect to see values in the range of 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast, the air quality index shown in yellow coloration shows an atmosphere and air quality that is considered to have minimal risk to the health of persons living in these states. While places that appear in orange coloration, Adamawa, Benue State, and parts of Jigawa, Kano, Kaduna, Niger State, and also part of Sokoto State are expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for people who have allergy for dust and also have high risk for respiratory diseases. By Friday, we expect most parts of the country to still remain generally sunny and hazy in good horizontal visibility, partly cloudy along the inland cities of the south, with prospects for thunderstorms only around the southeastern coast of Calabar, Eket, Yenagoa, and also Warri areas. Our maximum temperature forecast is expected to increase slightly over the northern parts of the country as we expect Maiduguri and Sokoto to be 35 degrees Celsius. Other places around this zone are expected to experience maximum temperature forecast between 31 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. Towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see values ranging from 29 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. The southern parts of the country are expected to see maximum temperature values between 33 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius. Our air quality forecast for Friday is expected to have moderate index shown in yellow extending from the northeast down to the southern parts of the country where minimal risk is expected to affect persons living in this area. While the air quality that is expected in places that appear in orange coloration is expected to be unhealthy for sensitive groups. By Saturday, we also expect fine weather in sunny and generally hazy conditions over most parts of the country, partly cloudy over the inland cities with prospects for thunderstorms along the coastal areas. Maximum temperature forecast. We expect temperature values to increase further higher over the northern parts of the country as Maiduguri is expected to reach 36 degrees Celsius, while other places around this zone are expected to see values between 31 degrees Celsius and 34. Towards the central part, we expect to see a range of 28 to 36 degrees Celsius, while the southern parts of the country are expected to see values in the range of 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Our air quality forecast for Saturday is expected to give moderate air quality index as shown in yellow coloration over the northeast and also in most parts of the south and part of the northwest, where the air quality is expected to have minimal risks to the health of persons living in these areas, while places that appear in orange and part of the southwest is expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for people who have high allergy to respiratory infections and also to dust in the atmosphere. This is where we conclude the forecast. We expect that sensitive groups should spend more time indoors than expose themselves to outdoor activities where the risk for respiratory diseases is high because of the high level of dust concentration in the atmosphere. Thanks for watching.